Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to recover recently deleted SMS in iPhone smartphones. So without more delay, let's begin. So firstly open the iMessages application. Now say let me delete one SMS. Finally, I have deleted one SMS right now. So now, in order to recover this recently deleted SMS, what you need to do is, on the laptop corner, you will see here one option written filters. Just click on it. Now, at the bottom, you will see here one option written recently deleted. Just click on it. Now, here you will see all the recently deleted SMS that you have deleted recently. So now, if you want to recover it, just select the respective SMS which you want to recover and just click on this recover. Click on this recover. Now it will be restored back. Let us move back by clicking on this filter. Now click on this all messages. You will see here the recently deleted SMS is being restored back. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily recover recently deleted SMS in iPhone smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you enjoy our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.